Welcome back to Data Analysis with Power BI. Today we'll be considering a very important aspect of data analysis, which I title data modeling. Data modeling is the process of analyzing, defining defining all the different data your business collect and produce, as well as the relationship between those bits of data. What do I mean by this? It tries to see the relationship between the data we collect in our businesses. So, and all data that are collected in any field of life have very important very important relationship with each other, and it is necessary that if we must do a good analysis, we must understand the relationship between those data. The benefits of having a good data model include accurate reports, faster data exploration, simpler aggregation, easy to maintain. Data that are model have all these properties. In addition, we'll be discussing the concept of tables. What are tables? Tables are simply the collections of rows and columns. That is, the collections of rows and columns is what we define as a table. Hence, table can be classified in data analysis into two main categories, which are the dimension tables and the fact table. The fact tables seeks to search for observations and events, while the dimension table describes the various business entities, that is, such as customer's name, product name. All these are business entities, while facts include the total number of sales, the total profit made for each product, discount given out. All these are examples of fact our fact that should be on the fact table. So, in addition, we'll be looking at a case study of a table where a student that is registered in a university has these details: the student ID, the name, the gender, the department, the level, the course IDs, and the attendance of the student. Now, that is the general table that has all the details. This table can further be broken down such that I could reference a particular student by his student ID or by his student ID to the course he's taking. Take for instance CS001 in the first table has the name gift and is a gender of a male in the Department of Computer Science with a level of 100, and the course of CSC 101, of which the attendance is yes, that is present. Now, in the second table, I could say that student CSC 011 and with the name gift can be referenced to the course ID, which is CSC 01101. Now, the table can further be broken down such that you are given just the student ID and the course ID of the student, and you are asked to define the attendance of the particular student. Student 0, student CSC 101, who takes the course with a course ID of CSC 101, has an attendance of yes, but the student CS 002 with a course ID of 111 has an attendance of no, that is not present. Now, a question could come. What is the name of student CSC 002 from the third table? That is, the name has to be referenced in the first table as David. Now, let me explain further. If you are likely to remember, in our primary school, we have something such as 2, 4, 1. And you have 4, you have 2, you have 1. You would be asked to draw a sign to each other that matches the same number. That is, 2 goes to 2, 4 goes to 4, and 1 goes to 1. In this process alone, we are already engaging ourselves in data modeling. That is, we are referencing 2 to 2, 1 to 1, 4 to 4. With this concept, we'll further in subsequent videos be explaining the concept of data modeling with a use case of our data set we considered in this course. Thank you very much and see you in another one.